Remove the cryovial from liquid nitrogen. Carefully place cryovial in 37°C water bath without submerging the cap to reduce contamination risk. Shake the cryovial for 1 to 2 minutes until only a small ice piece remains inside. Spray and wipe the cryovial with 70 ethanol and quickly transfer it to the cell culture hood. Transfer the cell suspension into the tube containing 9 ml of culture medium. Rinse empty vial with 1 ml of culture medium, then transfer this volume to the 40 ml tube. Centrifuge the cell suspension. Carefully discard the supernatant. Gently resuspend the cell pellet in 1 ml of culture medium. Then add an additional 4 ml. Proceed with cell counting if required.